Good afternoon, artists. Hey, today we are going to learn about symmetry. Symmetry means it is the same on both sides, symmetrical. The shape is symmetrical. We're going to draw some candelabras or Hanukkahs. These are special candelabras that are used during the celebration of Hanukkah for lighting the candles. And the nice thing about Hanukkahs is they are symmetrical. They're the same on both sides. So with symmetry, there's always a line of symmetry. And the line of symmetry on the candelabra happens to go straight up and down right through the middle of the Hanukkah. That is called the line of symmetry. So on either side of that line, the candelabra is exactly the same. It'd be like if we folded it in half, both sides would match. It's the same up here. There are lots of things in nature that are also symmetrical and have a line of symmetry that goes vertically up and down through it. Can you think of some of those things that might be symmetrical? Yes, a heart. If our line of symmetry goes right down the middle, it's the same on both sides. There are many things that you probably already draw that are symmetrical or that have symmetry. I want you guys to keep brainstorming some of those. If we draw a butterfly, that also has a vertical line of symmetry and is the same on both sides. Even the butterfly's patterns on its wings are symmetrical. Now, what if we drew our line of symmetry horizontally across the butterfly or the heart? Then would it be symmetrical? Would it be the same on both sides? No. Most lines of symmetry are going to go up and down or vertical. We are even symmetrical from our head to our toes. So today we are going to use oil pastels to create our Hanukkahs like this. Now we notice that there are 9 candlesticks. There's one right in the middle and 4 on either side. That's what creates our symmetry. We're going to start by drawing that middle one. Then we're going to draw a shape to create our outside edges and fill in our 3 candles. And we'll decorate it. One thing I want you to do, artists, is don't draw all the way to the bottom of your paper. Leave some space. Maybe start about 1/3 of the way up, because we're going to glue down, when we're all done, a tablecloth. So you can draw with any color you like. We're going to start together, and you're going to follow along with me. I think I'll use the silver metallic pastel. I'm going to move my pastels to the side. So I'm going to start with my middle piece. And do you guys remember how we learned that lines make shape? So if our lines connect, they're going to make a shape. So the first shape I'm going to make is going to be like a rectangle. It's like a candle. Okay, your turn to draw your rectangle. Now the next one, we're going to draw the base. And your base for your candelabra can be any shape you'd like. It could be circular, it could be square, it could be rectangular, it could be triangular. I think I'm going to make mine kind of like a triangle. There we go. Your turn to make your base. Good, artists. Now we're going to have our candelabra come out this way and go up. And it will do the same thing on this side, come out and go up. But remember, we want to make a shape, not just a line. So I'm going to start here and draw my first shape. And I want you to notice that in our pictures, this is the tallest shape. So this shape is going to be a little bit shorter. And then over here, I'm going to do the same thing to make it symmetrical. And I'm going to try to draw it about the same height. Now we said there are 9 candles altogether. We have 1, 2, 3. We need 6 more. 3 here and 3 here. So we're going to draw now 3 rectangles. 1, 2, 3 to fill in. And if you would like to change colors, oh, by all means, you may do that. You are the artist. You can choose what colors you use for your candles. And there is my candelabra. Now, if I'd like to, I could color these in. And again, you can use all different colors. But now we're going to light it, so we need to put some flames up there. I'm not going to use the metallic ones for that. I put a tray of yellows and reds and some whites and pinks on your table also, so you can use those to create your flames. And I think that's a crayon, not an oil pastel, because it didn't show up very well right there. So I will use, there we go. And flames are kind of shaped like teardrops or leaves. And there's a candle on the end too, so don't forget that one, because we need 9 candles. And then I can maybe color those in to make it look like a flame. Don't have my yellow. There we go. And then don't forget to smear with your finger. That would make that flame really look like it's moving and glowing. You could add some white in there if you'd like. So that is how we are going to make our Hanukkahs. So you may continue to decorate and color in your Hanukkah. All right. Happy holidays, students.